Okay, another package. It's a painful day for me today, physically, but I'm excited about what was brought. Bam! Yes, ECS tuning, baby. Coilovers. Aw, yeah. Back in the game. Hello guys, thanks for tuning in. Figured I'd do a little change of scenery. I'm always under the car or around a car. So I figured I'd do it back here. So I've got some things to open. Figured I would turn this into an unboxing. Alright, so I bought a bunch of parts, and the guy that I was buying the parts from threw this in. I want a black interior. I don't have it, but I want one. I would like to get a maybe not so wrecked, but a body. I'd like to get another car, another B5 A4, and with black interior, and transfer the black over to my car. Yes, it'll be black car, black exterior, black interior, which I'm not so big on, but you know what? It'll look better than the dove gray that Audi has put in that car. So, started off with the steering wheel, and I thought, I'd like a flat bottom wheel. I mean, yes, you know, it's a S-like wheel. It's an S wheel. But I wanted to try something a little bit different. So, has me a bit excited. Sorry, not sorry. Okay. So what I got was a 2012, I think, 12 to 15 Beetle steering wheel. Flat bottom. I intend on changing out this plastic piece here. I'd like to get this in carbon fiber, to be honest with you, this edging. And maybe change it up and put a suede cover on it. You know, the do your own stitching thing. But I think that would look great in the car. And the spline should be about the same. I don't have any buttons, so I'm not so worried about the clock spring. But let's see how that works out. Put it up until I'm ready to throw it in. Sorry, I know you want to get to the next thing. So do I, but if you want to take care of things, you got to put them away when you're done with them, right? Okay, so the next thing. New coilovers. Alright, I'm going to unbox this thing and show you what's inside. Show you what it looks like. So, keys right on top. Okay. So the ones that I have on the car before were ST Coilovers. These ones I went with Solo-Werks. Let's see what the difference is. Okay, so it's pretty straightforward. Ooh, last time was red springs, this time is blue.
Well, I guess we all learned that trying to get along is way better than player hating. The gang wrote a song about it. Why don't we listen in?
Used to be Crips and Bloods, didn't get along, but now we're all a family, so we wrote this song.
Yes, top goes on. The rubber mount on the shock body will sit here, will compress, and then you can figure out what height you want your springs at. And this gets bolted to the A-arm, I believe it is. So this is the rear. This is a rear, for sure. What coilovers do you guys use on your European cars? I mean, I know ST is a sub-company of, is it KY? Coilovers? Conies? Or is it Bilstein? I don't remember. But it's a sister company, so I felt safe going with it. Another rear. Sorry, I haven't seen these, so I'm just checking them over while I'm talking with you guys. I guess while I'm speaking to you guys, because you guys aren't talking back at the moment. Ooh, instruction manual. And this should be a front. Oh yeah, I can set the preload now. On the last one, I didn't have carrier spring, so this will be interesting because I've never adjusted it before, so I'm not sure how to do it. Guess who's going to be YouTubing and Googling tonight? Okay, put it back. Yeah, so I'm doing it the hard way. And then, of course, the last one. Ooh, I can't wait to get these in. These look so good. I'm excited. Ah. Alright, so suspension. The steering wheel I won't put in just yet. What else needs to be done? Oh, I need to look into that speed sensor. Not speed sensor, ABS warning light on for the rear left wheel. I like doing all the performance stuff, not the maintenance stuff. Anyhow, that'll do it for now. Just thought I'd give you guys an update as to, you know, the parts that I had ordered and the parts that had come in. Unfortunately, we don't have like an endless supply of money, so you order stuff, you gotta wait for it, you gotta wait for the content, right? Oh well. Let's get these bad boys in and start enjoying this car, start enjoying this weather. Remember, initial speed, baby. Beginning of speed, so this will definitely be the beginning of speed. It'll help the car handle better, and yeah, between the steering wheel and these coilovers, pretty excited. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Alright, till next time.